Welcome back, dear moms. Today, on day 9 of our journey towards creating a nurturing and secure environment for our little ones, we'll dive into the world of child safe materials. From flooring to furniture and decorations, we'll explore how to make conscious choices that promote your child's confidence, calmness, happiness, love, and security. So, let's get started. Hello, lovely moms. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we embark on this exciting exploration of child safe materials. As parents, our priority is to create a heaven where our children can thrive, grow, and feel loved. So let's begin with our first point. Point number one, opt for non toxic flooring. When selecting flooring, it's crucial to choose non-toxic options. Avoid materials that emit harmful substances like VOCs, that is volatile organic compounds. Instead, go for natural alternatives such as hardwood, bamboo, or cork, which are eco-friendly and promote better indoor air quality. Point 2. Say no to sharp edges. Next, let's focus on furniture. Look for pieces with rounded edges or invest in edge guards to prevent accidents. Avoid furniture with toxic finishes or coatings as little hands often find their way into unexpected places. Point 3. Go for soft textiles. Soft textiles can create a warm and comforting atmosphere. Choose fabrics that are gentle on your child's delicate skin and opt for natural fibers like organic cotton or bamboo. Remember, coziness is key to a calm and happy environment. Point 4. Harness the power of color. Color can greatly impact your child's mood and cognitive development. Incorporate cheerful hues into your decorations such as playful wall decals or colorful artwork. Surround your little one with vibrant, stimulating visual experiences. Point 5. Prioritize safety features. Safety should be our top priority. Install child-proofing devices on cabinets and drawers to prevent accidents. Secure heavy furniture to the wall to avoid tipping incidents. Create a space that allows your child to explore freely while minimizing potential hazards. Point 6. Natural lighting for serenity. Natural light has a soothing effect on both children and adults. Whenever possible, maximize the use of natural lighting in your home. Consider using sheer curtains or blinds that allow soft sunlight to filter in, fostering a peaceful atmosphere. Point 7. Eco-friendly accessories. Sustainability is vital for our planet's future. Choose eco-friendly accessories made from recycled materials like storage bins, toy chests, or wall decor. By teaching our children to be environmentally conscious, we encourage them to care for our surroundings. Point 8. Mindful toy selection. Toys play a crucial role in your child's development. Choose toys that are age appropriate, safe, and made from non-toxic materials. Avoid small parts that could pose a choking hazard. Remember, quality over quantity. Point 9. Create a cozy reading nook. Nurture your child's love for reading by creating a cozy reading nook. Select a soft rug or beanbag chair, add a bookshelf with their favorite stories, and let their imagination soar. This dedicated space encourages a lifelong love of learning. Point 10. Engage your child's input. Lastly, involve your child in the decision-making process. Allow them to express their preferences and ideas. By valuing their input, we empower them and foster a sense of ownership and confidence in their environment. And that wraps up today's topic on choosing child safe material for your home. Remember, creating a nurturing and secure space is an ongoing journey, and each step we take contributes to our children's happiness and well being. Join me tomorrow for another exciting topic on strengthening the bond with our little ones. Until then, take care and keep spreading love.